Introducing an exciting new capability in the BrowserStack MCP Server, AI-powered debugging and autofix for automation tests, right inside your IDE. No more painful log digging, no more hours spent figuring out what went wrong and fixing broken scripts. Let's see it in action. I've just run my app automate test suite on BrowserStack, and unfortunately, it failed. Let's take a closer look. Here in the dashboard, we can see a failed test case. Conventionally, I'd need to manually sift through logs, screenshots, and stack traces to understand the issue. But not anymore. Let's jump back to the IDE and ask Copilot for help. I will input a prompt that my app automate tests have failed and ask for help debugging. Since my Copilot is powered by BrowserStack MCP, it instantly understands that to debug effectively, it needs the session details. So let's give it the build ID and the session ID of the failed test. Now, the MCP server is fetching all relevant logs, stack traces, and screenshots from BrowserStack. In the background, it is analyzing and trying to understand the root cause for the failure. And just like that, Copilot has identified the issue. So fast. Looks like the culprit was an incorrect locator in my test script. Even better, Copilot has already made the required code changes and fixed the test case. Let's go ahead and accept the suggested fix. Now we'll rerun the updated test, right from the IDE. Behind the scenes, it's launching a new app automate session on BrowserStack with the updated test. Let's switch back to the dashboard. The build is running again, and this time, the test passes and the build is successful. And just like that, what used to take hours is now done in seconds. With BrowserStack MCP Server plus your AI agent, debugging failed automation tests is now faster, smarter, and fully automated with almost no effort. BrowserStack MCP Server is open source and available now on GitHub. Explore it today and supercharge your testing and debugging workflows. Thanks for watching and happy testing.